So let's see how can we merge the values between two or more columns. So a very simple example, we have got the first name, middle name, last name, and we want to merge the values and form a proper name. So we'll create a new column, full name. We'll be using, in order to merge these values, we'll be using the concatenate function. So very simple function, concatenate. Then all I need to do is first cell, comma, second cell, comma, third cell, and then I will close the bracket and hit the enter button. Now as you can see, the name has been created, but a small problem. We do not have space between these two. So let us create a space. How do we create a space? So let's say after the first column we need a space. So what I'll do, after the comma, I will put a space and then again a comma. Let's say after B2 as well I need a space. So what I will do, I will again put a space and then again I'll need a comma. Okay, and then I'll hit the enter button. Now as we can see, the space has been created. What I will do, I'll just extend this. We got the data. Okay, now this is one way to do this. There is one more way to do this. So this is optional. If you want to do it this way, you can do it this way. So in the first approach, what we did is we use the concatenate function. In the second approach, we would be using the ampersand symbol for connecting. So what I'll do, I'll say is equal to first cell ampersand, second cell again ampersand, third cell, and I will enter. Again same problem, space. So how do we get rid of space? After the first ampersand, I need a space. So what I will do, I'll take space and then again I will need a ampersand which will be acting as a connector. Then after B2 as well I need a space. So what I will do, again the B2 I will take space and again I'll need ampersand symbol and then I will enter. As we can see, space is reflecting. I'll just extend this, and as expected we have got the necessary data. Thank you so much.